Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to make Valorant less laggy. So after opening up Valorant, we have to go to settings. In settings, go to the general tab, then scroll down until you find show mature content, turn it off. Instability indicators should also be turned off. Bullet tracers should also be turned off. Now go to video. In general tab, make sure display mode is full screen, and the aspect ratio method is also letterbox. Now turn off every FPS limiter and turn NVIDIA Reflex low latency on. Multi-threaded rendering should be turned on as well, and every setting to the lowest possible option. And in the stats menu, make sure that most of the stats are on hide. If not, it may cause FPS lag. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.